Hi, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And the question is, why can't I delete some files that are in my Google Drive? And I'm going to show you what you can and can't do in this video. Well, in your Google Drive, it clearly is your drive. And anything that's in here, you can delete. I can click on this file, right? This folder, click on that folder, click on that file, click on that file. And I can either right click and I can remove, or I can go up here and I can hit the remove button right here and delete that. Let's see, can I delete that? Yeah, let's go ahead and delete it. And it's gone. If you can't do that, then it could be you have a browser problem. You might need to, check your cache and clear your cache in your browser. You might have an internet problem. You might need to check your internet problem. But if you're logged in as yourself, looking at your Google Drive, MyDrive, you have the ability to delete anything you want in here by, again, clicking on it and right-click and remove, or click on it one time and go up here and hit the trash button and remove. Furthermore, you can open the document. Let me open up a document. You can open up a document and go, I want this to go away. I want it to go to trash. And you go to File, and you can say Move to Trash. Which, by the way, just so you know, deleting stuff doesn't make it go away. It only puts it in the trash. And every 30 days, the janitor comes by and deletes new trash. Thus, the ability there is then to get it and you can bring it back. Let's see, where is remove? Let me get it back. Restore from trash. I can click on it and I can restore. I can click on it and I can right click and I can restore. Click on it, double view it, and go, oh my golly, I want that. And then I have the button. Where's my button? Is it under the three dots right here? Nope, it's not here. I can't restore from here. I have to go back, click on it, and I have to restore from trash. So anything you put in your MyDrive, you have the ability to delete unless you have a browser problem, a cache problem, or an internet problem. Now let's talk about shared with you. Here's content that's shared with me. Anything that's shared with me, I can't delete it, but I can do this. I can remove it. It's going to remove it from my screen. So I can get it off out of my drive just by hitting the trash. So it went away. It's no longer in my drive. Now it is still shared with me theoretically because they are still sharing it with me, but it's no longer in my Google Drive. But it's not in my trash. So in order for me to go get it and put it back into my drive under shared with me, I'd have to either go to the email where they shared it with me and click on I want to get to it, or I have to send them an email and say I lost the file, would you share it with me again? Deleting content from your Google Drive should work every single time. Deleting or removing files that are shared with you will work every single time unless you have a browser problem, a cache problem, or an internet problem. As long as you're looking at your drive, you're logged in on your drive, you should be able to right click and remove anytime you want. I'm Teddy, your Google Workplace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this is helpful.